In the moment, I free fall straight into you. I don't know if I can find what you're doing in my mind.
Take care of you. I will. And if I got been now, I will do it now. Take care of me.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new wig from Why My Hair or YMY Hair. But this is my first time getting a wig from them. So I want to share with you guys everything that I got in my packaging. This is everything here. Of course, you get your wig and then some accessories for the wig. But let's get into the actual hair. So I have a 26-inch unit and it is curly. The wig is super nice and cute. I love the curl pattern. I was super excited to put it on, but this is my favorite part. So the wig comes perfectly plugged and bleached. I also love the tint of the lace. It matched my skin tone perfectly. The construction was really nice as well. I do have a larger head, so I'm always concerned about that when it comes to a lace wig, and I have a low hairline. But this wig fit perfectly, no issues, fit ear to ear just fine, and it was super comfortable. With it on right now, it was really snug and secure, so I knew that the install was going to be great. So with just trying it on, no wig cap, no nothing, I was already super impressed. So now I'm going to go ahead and fully install the wig. I am doing like a glueless install. I'm just going to be using my wig melting spray to lay this wig down. Like I said, it felt really secure already, like it could be worn glueless, but it's not a glueless wig, but it felt really secure. So that was really nice. I'm just taking that lace melt spray and I'm just rubbing that across my hairline. Like I said, I have a low hairline, so I'm always really iffy when it comes to installing my wigs, but this wig was super easy to install. As you can see, it comes with baby hairs. I did end up cutting those baby hairs off just because, again, my hairline is kind of low, so the baby hairs were just positioned too low for my hairline. But other than that, the wig fit amazingly. Like I said, ear to ear, no issues. It wasn't too tight or too loose. Literally a perfect fit. So I'm just gonna do my normal install. I'm adding a little bit more of that lace melt spray to the lace. And then we're just gonna melt the lace down with the lace melting band that you get in your packaging. And then we're just gonna start customizing. I didn't do any additional plucking. Literally all I did was cut the lace off and then kind of define the curls, which you will see in just a minute. The actual hair for this wig, you get so much hair in this unit. The hair is super big, super beautiful. Can definitely see this on vacation or anything like that. It's very low maintenance for a curly unit. So again, for a curly unit. So it is still curly, so there is still some maintenance to it, but on the curly side, very low maintenance for a wig. And then again, thinking about how much hair that you have here, you will definitely need a lot more product for this wig because it is so much hair. But this is just my initial brush through of the wig right out of the packaging. I didn't even wash it. It didn't have any smell or anything like that. It was honestly perfect. I love the curls, love the look. I even loved the look of this wig just brushed out. But I am using my curl activator, and I believe I used mousse as well. And I did use a little bit of water, not too much, but just to kind of help everything lay flat, I added a little bit of water. So again, very low maintenance. I think this would be perfect for a vacation hair, so you can still have that like beach wavy type of look while still being on the low maintenance side. So if you guys are interested in checking out this wig, of course, the links are in the description box below. The direct link to this wig is below as well. And if you have any questions for me regarding this wig or anything else, let me know down below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and like the video and be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I cannot wait to see you in the next one.
I free fall straight into you. I don't know if I can fight what you do in my mind. All red more collide with you. So the instant know what you're doing with me. How you doing wrong? You call my name. Too late for you, babe. I don't think I can let you leave. I'm not open up anymore. I can tell we don't think no. I would rather be alone. I had to run. I had enough. I was the one who had to run. I had enough. No. Sorry if you know what you're doing with me. How you doing wrong? You call my name. Too late for you, babe. I don't think I can let you in. I'm not open up anymore. I can tell we don't think no. I would rather be alone. I had to run. I had enough. I was the one who had to run. I had enough. Sorry if you know what you're doing with me. How you doing wrong? You call my name. Too late for you, babe. I don't think I can let you in. I'm not open up anymore. I can tell we don't think no. I would rather be alone.